Hey there, folks. Just rolled in on to turkey camp here and gonna do a little bird hunting. Spring turkey, baby. Hey, it's Jordan Zistel with Rags to Records. We're out here, second weekend of turkey season. We're out here in Eastern Oregon, about ready to get it done. I'm all camoed out. Where'd Chad and Ike at? Where you at, guys? Where you at, fellas? Guess Ike had to work late, so here we are. Well, we came out here last weekend. We did a little bit of filming, and we didn't really turn much up other than one tom. He had about an 8-inch beard. It was a nice bird. We did quite a few call sets though. Really didn't hear many calls back. So this weekend we're going to change up the calling strategy just a little bit. I'm going to go with a few more clucks and purrs. Not going to be as aggressive on the gobbles we have been in the past. So we're going to give that a try. See what's going on. I already saw one hen coming in here. We know there's plenty of turkeys around. Being the second weekend though, I think it's going to be important to be a little bit more subtle and not just go out there and explode on the gobble. But we'll kind of feel it out, see what happens. Stay tuned for some more footage. If Ike gets here and go out, come on, where you at? All right, guys, we're gonna set up in this meadow. Put the deeks out right now.
We're small bubs.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, beautiful. Oh, these boys aren't even up yet. Oh, there they are. There they are.
It's going down. Set number 3 today. We just worked down into this little canyon, this draw. Chad's a shooter right now, and we're just gonna start off kind of soft. See what we can do.
It's going down. We got a breeder. Got a breeder out there. Look at him.
Tired.
It's been a long day.
This has been absolute grinding. We put on like 3 miles today.
Oh, your tailpipe's kind of hanging off.
Like turkey hunting, you accumulate more and more gear, and the success rate goes down lower and lower and lower.
Jordan, what just happened?
I've been calling in this spot for like 3 hours.
3 hours? Too long.
I'm using my mouth read. And we got a nice tom to come in. And I'm sitting right here at this tree. And I see him strutting in. And I don't have any gloves on. I had a little face mask, but he saw me. I didn't think anyone else saw him, so I threw some lead out there. He was probably pushing like 60 yards away, so.
Well, and he turned and ran, huh?
Yeah, he was turning and running when I shot, so. It's the only tom we've had in today, so I was a little trigger happy.
Can you hear?
Yeah, let me just say this morning was probably one of my most favorite turkey sets I've ever done. I mean, I've had like the onesie twosie toms come in, but this guy, you'll see in the footage, I mean, it's pretty hard to beat. 5 jakes all coming in at once.
It was insane. Just all gobbling up a storm. We were using a box call, or I was using a box call, and Jordan was using just a mouth call, and we kind of got them in, I don't know, probably within 70 yards with the box, and then they just quieted up, and Jordan started using his mouth call, and man, that they lit up. They liked that thing.
Yeah. The way we were set up, we were a little bit higher than they were, and they were coming up the ridge, and man, they just exploded, just going after it.
Yeah, and in the footage, you'll see it, but it's pretty cool how when we were in the blind, we had our decoys out in front of us, and the Jordan would mouth call out of the blind, and they were confused, but they just kept coming in. They loved it. So,
Yeah.
nice work on the mouth calling, box calling. Got a dead Jake. We worked hard for it. Jordan and I, we were doing a lot of walking and setting, and it was a tough weekend, but we finally got one. Tough but fun.
Yeah, really put in the time yesterday, and I mean, this was actually our first set this morning. So in total, I mean, we easily did over 10 setups, but it was nice. It only takes one. Takes one.
So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to get this fan off. You've got these kind of iridescent feathers here. Just going to kind of pull those back. gonna find this socket in here. Pretty easy to find. You can feel it wiggling in there. You're just gonna come over here and cut some of this skin off. Get down into these tendons. And there's just this nice little pocket in the back. You know, you'll feel this big joint right here. Get that taken off. Good to go. You got your fan. Spring turkey, baby. 2017. Check us out on Rakester Records. YouTube, baby.
Won't do it. You're not filming this, are you?